So now we have the basis of the Gerson therapy was pretty much the direction was set back then in the early 1920s, in the mid 1920s. When he was treating, he learned he was treating the entire immune system by his migraine diet, and he had to figure out why the immune system was responding to that and what we were doing to it to disable it for the disease conditions.
Torej, kot znanstvenik se je seveda predal temu izzivu, temu vprašanju in hotel tudi razumeti, kako to, da za tretmajem za eno bolezen oziroma za eno dieto, na kakšen način lahko on vpliva na imunski sistem človeškega telesa, tako da potem te simptomi, ki se izražajo na različnih vrstah bolezni, izginjajo. Se pravi, na kakšen način ta dieta vpliva na imunski sistem človeškega telesa.
Meanwhile, he was a practicing doctor. And while he was a practicing doctor, of course, he got people coming to him with all kinds of different diseases. And one woman came to him and said, I have cancer. It was a cancer that they had told her was incurable, and it was attacking her pancreatic system, and said, I want you to use your migraine and tuberculosis diet and treat my cancer.
Ker je imel zdravniško prakso, je k njem prihajala cela vrsta različnih pacientov in nekega dne se je pojavila ena pacientka, ki je rekla, jaz imam pa rak na pankreasu in bi želela, da poskušite z tretmajem te vaše diete, ki je mišljena za migreno in za tuberkulozo, da poskusite, če bo pomagalo tudi pri moji bolezni, ki je bila rak na pankreasu.
And Gerson said, no, but I don't know anything at all about cancer, and so I can't touch it. I don't know what it'll do at all. And the woman said, no, but I have no hope from anything else. I know I'll die if I try anything else. I want you to do it. I will sign anything, any release, any forgiveness, whatever you want. I'll sign anything. I just want you to give me your diet.
Torej, dr. Gerson je najprej poskušal odbiti to zahtevo in je rekel, ja, ampak jaz čisto nič ne vem o raku in ne moram zdaj vas tretirati za to dieto, ki je mišljena za migreno in za tuberkulozo. Vendar je ta pacientka, ta bolnica je vztrajala in je rekla, poslušajte, jaz nima nobenega drugega upanja, meni so rekli, da je to neozdravljivo, jaz vem, da če bom karkoli drugega probala, da bom prej ali slej zaradi tega umrla in želim, da me vi probate tretirati za vašo dieto in sem pripravljena tudi podpisati kakršnikoli dokument, da vas osvobodim kakršnikoli odgovornosti, ampak si želim, da probava za to dieto.